I was involved in a horrific automobile accident 2 years ago this week.
What happened is after I was impacted, I was driven into a fence, just like a dartboard, and my knees were completely inverted.
I was driving my vehicle down the road, and there was an individual who ran into the back of me, didn't brake or anything, and it created some damages physically to me, whereby, I sustained concussion, broken nose, and a few other things that, had taken place.
My brother was one of the first people that I can remember speaking to who said, "Do you know what happened to you?" and gave me the particulars of the accident. The other driver had been killed. It was his fault. He ran a stop sign.
Everybody always thinks they have enough insurance and things to cover it, but in something near tragic like this, you always find that you never have enough insurance.
I knew once I went to the hospital and I was being treated, I knew instantly who I was going to call to help me with my case, and that was Chuck Boyk.
Quite different to find people that would take that kind of interest in your personal well-being rather than just being on a personal level. On a professional level, they want to be personal, and rather than just sticking a corner near a number and walk in,
He was the one that showed all of the professionalism. He was the one that went to bat for me. He was the one that understood my physical and emotional state.
They have been unbelievably fantastic, almost like family.
I felt, to me, Chuck was like a partner, like he was part of my family to an extent.
I recommend Boyk Law because they are a personal firm that does an excellent job and does exactly what they say they would do.
I put my trust in Boyk Law Offices, and they didn't disappoint me.